Hi, I'm Kamini Patel. Welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today's recipe is going to be Mithai cigars. So I start with mawa, about a cup, and to that I add crushed pistachios and some crushed almonds. And to this I'll add some sugar and then some ground cardamom and a few strands of saffron. So just stir it nicely. The fragrance should hit you by now. So I'm going to set this aside and start with my spring roll wrap. You can even use a samosa patti. I'm going to gently place it on one edge. You want to roll it, just fasten it from the sides. And once you get to the edge, fasten it with the corn flour and water roux. So now I'm done with my rolling. And my oil is hot enough for me to start frying. You want to give them about 3 minutes on each side. So I'm ready to remove them onto my toweled plate. So to serve these cigar rolls, they will go perfectly with a drizzle of honey. And for the final touch, a sprinkling of green pistachios. So here it is, the Mithai Cigar Rolls. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to share, like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel for more Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.